Hello friends, we invite you to join us in this video about Hande ercel and kerem bursin.
Hande ercel posted new photos on Instagram today. Today she went to the nature with a beautiful and sporty style for morning exercise. Also, the location where Hande was there is very similar to the location of some of kerem bursin's photos.
If you like this video, like the video, and we have a playlist about Hande ercel and kerem bursin and his life on the channel. You can also watch the videos. Take care of yourself until another video.